Welcome to ARZOPA tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to connect the frame to your mobile phone. Scan the QR code on the right, or you can download the ARZOPA official app on the Apple Store and the Google Play. Now you can start uploading and enjoying your photos. Click to open the downloaded ARZOPA app on your mobile phone. Enter your email address and copy the code from the email and paste it into the specified area to verify your account. Read and agree to the terms of service by checking the box. Your account registration is now complete. You can enjoy all the features and benefits our platform offers. Set a name and avatar for your account. After you upload photos to the frame, your account information will be displayed. Scan the QR code on the left side of the photo frame in the app to add a new friend, and your phone will be matched to your ARZOPA photo frame. The first person to successfully connect will be the administrator by default. You can also share the QR code with your family members or friends through the icon in the upper right corner of the mobile app page. They can also upload and view all the photos in the album. Next tutorial, I will show you how to upload photos from the mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.